to my channel. You don't know it's a girl Latty, and I'm here with another video. The one I'm also interested because it involves everybody. Everybody we're born involved. So today we're gonna talk about the zodiac signs. If you don't know what zodiac sign mean, it mean the month when a born is sign we rule under. So today we're gonna talk about that. So please guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So today the video you know involve my mother. So my mother, you know, so she a pro pan inside because she much older than me. So she a go there to help me talk about them. Who know fi date, who know fi date, how no stay, everything. Yes. So all of that will come up in a one video tonight. So guys, stay tuned. So let's get right into the video. So back whoever don't know what I mean by zodiac. Me mean if you know born January to February or not Aquarius, if you don't understand that. So we'll talk about the sign now. So let's get into it. So Mummy, what you think about the what you think about Aquarius, January people?
Aquarius, God have mercy. Them jealous, but they love have enough woman. They're very kind too, but they're jealous. You know. Not to think about February is the same nature-minded people. They will give you things. They will do a lot for you, but they don't want to see you around no other man as a woman. And the woman them still the same way. So
well,
you know,
for me, January people me not really have much experience with the January people them. But February people me have experience in whore. If they love it, let me get things. I really have much experience for them either. Which is the February people, which is spices. They are spices. So if you don't understand, no listen, I don't understand. No. So February spices, January Aquarius. So let's get down into it. So Aries. So March 21st to April 19th, that's Aries. So we take about the Aries.
The Aries now. Oh Lord. A bloodstone lead them to their grave. They're stubborn. You know? And they have wicked, they cruel. They have a cruel intention. At times if you and them have nothing, if you see them bend down and take up a stick, move away. Because them now go hesitate. They go hit you with it. You know that's what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise they don't have no sense. Aries people
them stupid.
They're crazy.
They're mad.
Thankful they know. Remember, so thankful
yeah, they're mad. Because if you,
so they're,
I mean, them not listen still, and they're sneaking right.
She's an Aries, but I hope she's not still like that.
Okay. Hush, never mind you.
So, April 20 to May 20, Taurus.
Is the bull. And they're very buck. They cross. Them people they know they will give you a lot, but you see behind your back, them go back and sit down and talk what they do for you, and the girl not good or the woman said the man not good because what me do for him, me buy him this, me buy him that, and you know, go on and on.
Okay. So now we have May the 21st to June the 21st, Gemini. So now mark on the date. Gemini. What do you think on Gemini?
Gemini. Oh God. Yeah. Poor body. They don't have one man. If I have the woman them, they have all 5 men. That's what I know. I'm not a Gemini, but I can tell you because I had friends who are.
Speak louder.
You know? I had friends who are Gemini. So I can explain. So when I say them, who are them to have one man? They have a 2 man, 3 man come check them one time and you have to be the armor bearer for them for tell lie. So then, I'm come and check and all them something that is a Gemini.
Yeah, I know say they ain't whore for June people they ain't whore. They are. So June 22 to July the 22, so we have the Cancer. Yes, so the Cancer people them June and July people them are the same thing.
July. Never have money yet.
They mean June, July people them mean.
Pocket all they never have money. You ask if you have money, you don't have no money, you know. Next week or Friday or whatever time. That's and they give you a a date and you'll
And
never
next
see
date they
them.
get to our next date
The
again.
next time again, they tell you something did happen or something come over. So eventually you gone until
You're not getting
that's
nothing.
it.
Yes. Me know literally so they mean the truth.
Yeah.
They are.
They are. They never have money yet.
So July 23rd to August the 22nd, we have Leo.
Leo in a farmer way, Leo kind of cool, you know.
Yes, they're nice.
Kind of cool, easy going people, them, but
Yeah.
don't get them rude.
Yes.
If you get them out, you get them on the wrong side.
Yes. And then some of them kind. Some of them.
Some
But
of
some of
them.
them. See me?
Them and you have to be close friends
They tight like this.
before they say here, you know.
Yeah.
That's,
Which is August. Some of them. See me? Like a fist.
they have to be
Tight.
acquainted to you very good if you stretch the hand out and say here, hold this. Me did one give you about 2 sons and it done right here.
Mange. So we have August the 22nd to September the 22nd. We have the Virgo, which is my sign, my mom's
My
sign.
side. But I'm not going to say we are
Yeah.
very skeptic people and we're good and we're nice. And,
Yes, we're nice.
But listen, don't get me out, we are illiterate in a sense of
Yes.
we silently illiterate. You understand? But we are very good people. If we have anything that you want, you don't afraid to ask. Libra will give it to you and Virgo will give it to you. But on the other hand, don't take up their stuff behind your back. Behind back. They will hate you for that.
Virgo people,
And they
they're
will
really nice.
laugh with you and they vex with you. And you don't know.
Yes, they will.
You
Yes.
understand?
Me vex for the right now. Me a best friend, me vex for the
And you don't know.
I
That's
just
a
saw me
Virgo.
stay, yes.
That's a Virgo, that's a Libra.
That's how I am.
You understand? So people want to know how they stay. I'm not an interpreter, but I've been through a lot of these signs and know the females and the males know how them flex. You know the flexibility of them. They love, some of them love people things.
Yes, I
You
don't
know,
know.
and then you
But
give.
some of my people, they mean, you know.
Yeah.
Man, them, they mean.
Yes.
Most of them
They have to
mean.
literally love you.
Yes, we
I
give
have
it
some of the
they
Virgo
are
them
mean.
now, and the Libra will take out their heart, give you, and you never have it to give them.
Yes.
Yeah.
They mean. Now we are talking literally pan the Libra thing, you know. So September 23rd to October 3, that are Libra, literally Libra. So Libra now, most of them poor.
And Libra are kind, very kind people them, very nice people, but secretively jealous. Some of them just come out with it in any public places. They see with the woman them, if they see with man, they want to fight same place. The man them, some of them kick you down same place. You know, that's a Libra. Fine?
Yes. And some of them ruling, very ruling. You man them, they want ruling man them. I don't know about the man them, but the man them ruling man, they rule everything they want to take charge of. So October 24 to November the 22nd, we have the Scorpio. Scorpio, November.
Dark.
November people them.
They are dark, illiterate, and they carry news. They are news carrier.
November people them.
They run with something, come and tell you, and they don't even say anything, and they go back and tell Mary or Jane,
Yes.
say, Jen and say so and so. But you know, you have to know your stuff.
I have experience with a lot of
with a
November
Scorpio. You have to just keep you calm when they are talking things,
Yes.
and don't say nothing that they will go back and say so because they are news carrier.
They mix up. November people they mix up. They have a lot of experience
Yes,
with them. They are.
mixed up people. They love violence
Yes.
undercover.
And they have
Them
an anger
make up
problem.
the fire under the cover. When the fire start blaze, them take for themselves. So careful.
Yes. So the next one we have, which is I think it's a final one. We have November the 22nd to December the 21st. No, it's not the final one. Which is Sagittarius.
Sagittarius. Alright. Then jealous. And then lie. Then watch them man. Watch.
December.
Yes, them a watch man. You know, the December people them, which is Capricorn.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of them, Sagittarius and Capricorn,
Yeah.
is December.
They are what you call a P watchman. You understand? The women them watch their man and the man them watch a woman. You understand? So you have to be careful of those kind of people, and they are illiterate, then dark, then love fight.
It's not a whole me know
The
that they
least little thing
illiterate.
then jump up in your face, so you have to look out for them.
And if they can't read, then come like them
The
dance.
verse, because you can't tell them to well then R-A-T-R.
And if they dance, it worse.
Of course.
If they dance, it worse. And if they can't read, it come like them still.
Come like them
have
blind,
no
them
sense.
eye open but them still blind.
December people, no.
The only
dumb.
experience they have is to watch woman, but then kind.
Yeah, they're kind. They will give anything.
Anything they have, if they have $1 million in their hand and you beg them, maybe I want to show it this.
Yeah, they are.
They are kind.
Yes, they're kind people.
But they are illiterate, they jealous, bad.
And some of January people them still like that
and
too.
you know, say,
I
back,
think that's a Capricorn.
back to Libra. Libra per people, them don't like a liar. If you're a liar, you can't go and where you go because you're not going to satisfy. You understand? Back to Scorpio is the same nature. They hate a lie. Come to them with the truth and they will determine. You understand?
And they love fight.
So I'm just saying what I know. Guess what? If you people love our comments, give us a shout out.
Yes, comment down below if you like what we just said. And if you know, I hope you don't feel no way over here, but it's the truth. If you don't agree with me or disagree with me, no comment down below. Comment down below, no sign. So I think this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. And yes.
And I hope you enjoy these comments.
Yes,
Thank
hope
you.
you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos, you can comment down below again. Thank you. Peace out.